Good morning. Welcome to another episode of the Mizuho Week Ahead. I'm Boon Heng, market economist at Mizuho Bank. This week's theme is Setback. At this juncture, it is not that markets will not find some way to frame the situation as half full, but the fact of the matter is that setbacks to optimistic expectations are hard to ignore. For one, the pickup in US PPI in the context of relatively hot wage growth and sticky non-rental services means that aggressive pivot bets are set back. And while the Fed retains data dependence, it appears to us that the data need to provide reasons not to hype. And so the realization of a de facto hawkish bias must surely set back overly aggressive short dollar bets. As for Europe, they are also set back by the surge in gas prices that now fuel fears of resurgent inflation, forcing the ECB into sharper trade-offs with more hikes. And hard landing risks are consequently nudged higher. The Norges Bank may be the frontrunner on this account, as it is set to hike rates amid persistent inflation troubles despite economic headwinds. And even if the Norwegian krona gains lend some lift to the euro on ECB rate hike expectations reflects, there is still nagging downside risk that lurked beyond on account of eroding real rate spreads and recession risk. Elsewhere, hot on the heels of China's deflation reckoning alongside credit growth pullback, soft spots in industrial activity and a lack of consumer rebound, and most worryingly, feeble investments dragged by real estate woes will set back Beijing's efforts at economic revival. Country Garden's teetering default woes is also a setback for Beijing, trying to draw a line to contain property market troubles, and is likely to frustrate further measures to restore confidence. All else equal, this may be widely expected to set back Chinese assets and the renminbi, but that is exactly why the PBOC may preempt and set a strong CNY fix to backstop. Backstops, however, don't negate setbacks. And so EM Asia FX finding any relief on CNY boost will do well to exercise cautious restraint over reckless abandon. Speaking of setbacks, the RBI is set to face one on account of India's July inflation that is set to reaccelerate to the upper bound of 6% of the inflation target. This validates the hawkish hold, but it frustrates the desire to support the economy sooner rather than later. And while Malaysia averted a political setback as state elections allowed PM Anwar's coalition to hold on to existing seats, the erosion of mandate sets a challenging course for political reform amid precarious political balance. Or said, stretched cheer about soft landings may have to wake up to the realities of economic policy and political setbacks, which form a bumpy path ahead. Meanwhile, on Thursday, whether a likely no hike by the BSP will be a setback for the peso remains to be seen. For more information, please refer to our Week Ahead publication or contact your respective sales desk and RMs. And for regular notifications on our market views, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button. Thank you.